Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili chicken. First, you'll want to cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces, about 1-inch cubes. Then, we'll marinate it with a blend of spices and cornstarch to ensure it gets that perfect crispy texture when fried. This initial step is crucial for building the foundational flavors of our dish. We'll then move on to frying the chicken to a beautiful golden brown, ensuring it's cooked through and ready for the sauce. For the chicken preparation, start by cutting about 1 pound of boneless chicken into uniform 1-inch cubes. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Next, in a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add the chicken pieces to this mixture, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. This infuses the chicken with incredible flavor. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, life's truly too short for cheap socks. Seriously, treat your feet to darn tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks, along with other fantastic deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's create that irresistible chili sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped ginger and garlic, along with 2 green chilies. Once fragrant, add half a cup of diced onions and 1/4 cup of bell peppers, cooking them until they are tender crisp. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This forms the base of our tangy and spicy sauce. With your chicken fried and your sauce ready, it's time to bring it all together. Add the fried chicken pieces directly into the pan with your simmering sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every piece of chicken is beautifully coated in the rich, flavorful sauce. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and cling to the chicken. Garnish generously with fresh chopped spring onions and serve your delicious chili chicken hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.